Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I built this smart LED clock with touch controls, multiple modes, and a built-in light. But to really understand how it works, let's go back to the beginning. At the heart of the project, I'm using an Arduino Nano to control everything. To keep track of time accurately, I added an RTC module. For interaction, I'm using 3 touch sensor modules. And for the display, I'm using an 8 by 32 LED matrix driven by a Max 7219 module. I started by building the entire circuit on a breadboard to test the connections and logic. This step helped me verify that the time display worked correctly, that each touch button triggered the right action. The controls are very simple and intuitive. One button changes the mode, one increments values, one turns the light on or off. Once everything was working reliably, I designed a custom PCB to make the circuit cleaner, more compact. For the user interface, I printed the control symbols on paper and placed them behind a small acrylic panel. Under each symbol, I positioned a touch sensor so when someone touches an icon, it sends a signal directly to the Arduino. This keeps the design minimal while making the interaction feel seamless. I designed and 3D printed a custom enclosure to hold all the components and added a power switch at the bottom so the clock can be turned on and off. For the lighting section, I installed 3 LEDs inside the enclosure. I covered the LED area with hot glue to diffuse the light more evenly. And here is the final result: a compact, smart clock with touch controls, LED display, and soft ambient lighting. A project that combines electronics, programming, and product design into one clean device. If you want to build one yourself, you'll find the full code and the circuit schematic on the description below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more.